In today's video, we unveil some amazing future transportation technologies that will blow your mind. Let's dive right in. Earth-to-Earth rockets. How would you feel if you could travel from any part of the world to another in just under 1 hour? That sounds unbelievable. Well, thanks to remarkable technology developments and efforts made by Elon Musk's SpaceX, in the not-so-distant future, you will be able to enjoy intra-Earth travel with Earth-to-Earth rockets. This incredible technology will not only make traveling easy and efficient, but will also help minimize the distance barriers between major cities around the globe. It is important to note here that this intra-Earth travel will happen on the same fully reusable and heavy-lift launch spacecraft, the famous Starship, which is originally designed to send the first humans on a mission to Mars. The primary purpose of SpaceX in initiating the Earth-to-Earth rockets is both commercial potential and to make traveling easier and more efficient. Imagine yourself traveling from Los Angeles to London in just 30 minutes. Well, if you travel between those two cities on a plane, it will typically take you around 10 hours and 30 minutes. This shows how efficient Earth-to-Earth journey will become with the help of Starship. Amazing, right? Moreover, as per reports, this phenomenal vehicle will be able to carry up to 1,000 passengers at a time for Earthbound trips. Now, if we talk about the ticket costs, as per Sam Dinkins, who has written for the Space Review, estimated in October 2017 that it would cost more than $1 million to transport around 853 passengers. This works out to $1,200 for a single ticket. Well, are you willing to be one of the first persons to travel in that risky but amazing Earth-to-Earth rocket? Let us know in the comments section. Hyperloop Systems. A Hyperloop system is a new and efficient mode of transportation that makes use of a vacuum-sealed tube to send passengers or freight at high speeds. The system was first proposed by Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, in 2013. The Hyperloop concept involves a sealed tube or system of tubes with low air pressure through which a pod may travel largely free of air resistance or friction. The pod basically floats on a cushion of air or maglev and is propelled by linear induction motors and air compressors. The Hyperloop system undoubtedly is the future of transportation and can make a massive change in how people around the globe travel. It certainly has the potential to revolutionize transportation, as it could provide a faster, more efficient, and more sustainable way to travel in contrast to traditional methods such as cars, trains, or planes. Unfortunately, the technology is still in its early stages of development, and we may have to wait a bit more for it to become a reality. But there's nothing to worry about, as several companies are working to bring the Hyperloop to market. Fully autonomous vehicles. Do you own a car? If yes, chances are that you may still have a level 0, 1, 2, or at max level 3 autonomous vehicle. But wait, what do these levels indicate? Well, automotive engineers have developed a taxonomy in order to fully understand the different levels of automation that are found in automobiles. There are primarily 6 stages, starting from level 0. Most of the cars you see today outside are probably level 0 automation. Currently, you may only be able to witness the first 4 stages of autonomous vehicles. The Audi 8 sedan with its traffic jam pilot system is an excellent example of a level 3 autonomous vehicle. However, the future is quite bright when it comes to fully autonomous vehicles, and we will soon witness levels 4 and 5 on the roads as well. Level 5 automation represents a fully automated vehicle that is able to perform all driving functions under any circumstances. This ultimately means that while a human can drive if desired, it is not required. In fact, the steering wheel of the car would even be optional. Now that seems interesting. Unfortunately, there are no viable examples of such vehicles at the moment. But as we said, the future seems bright, and in the coming years, we will see how these fantastic vehicles revolutionize the way people travel. Magnetic levitation trains. Magnetic levitation trains, which are also referred to as maglev, are a type of high-speed ground transportation that uses magnetic fields to levitate and move vehicles without making contact with the ground. You will be surprised to know that this wonderful technology has been used in transportation for decades, but it has only recently been developed for use in trains. Maglev trains float on a cushion of air, which basically reduces friction and enables the trains to reach extremely high speeds. In fact, the top speed of commercial maglev trains is currently around 600 kilometers per hour or 370 miles per hour. Maglev trains are also extremely smooth and quiet, making them a more pleasant experience for passengers than traditional trains. So, If you plan to travel on a maglev train, you can expect to have a great traveling experience full of comfort. Maglev technology is still in the early stages of development, and there are currently no maglev trains in operation in the United States. However, various projects are underway to develop maglev train systems in the US, and it is hoped that this technology will eventually be used to create a new generation of high-speed trains. Flying taxis. The flying taxi is a new mode of transportation that in the future could take the world by storm. These outstanding and innovative vehicles are capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making them the perfect way to get around in congested cities. Volocopter is a great example of companies working in order to launch air taxi services. But are flying taxis the future? There are a number of reasons why flying taxis could be the future of transportation. First, similar to other fantastic transportation technologies, they offer a much faster and more efficient way to get around. Traffic jams are a thing of the past when you can simply take to the skies. Second, flying taxis are much more environmentally friendly than traditional cars. They produce zero emissions and are far more fuel efficient. So, what are the drawbacks of flying taxis? Well, they are still in the early stages of development and are thus quite expensive. They are also only available in a few selected cities. But as technology continues to develop, these drawbacks are likely to disappear. In the end, only time will tell if flying taxis will be a part of the future of transportation. What's your take on this? Let us know in the comment sections. Hypersonic Air Travel. Hypersonic Air Travel is another fantastic transportation technology that will make the future of transportation more efficient, similar to the way SpaceX Starship Earth-to-Earth rockets will. However, as opposed to the Earth-to-Earth rocket systems that travel outside the atmosphere, hypersonic air travel will stay within the atmosphere using aircrafts. These have the capability to travel at speeds above Mach 5, which is 5 times the speed of sound. This type of travel is possible thanks to advances in aerospace technology. Hypersonic travel is much faster than traditional air travel, making it possible to travel long distances in a shorter amount of time. This type of travel also has the potential to be more fuel efficient than traditional air travel. There are currently no commercial hypersonic aircraft, but there are a number of research programs underway to develop this technology. Once developed, hypersonic air travel could certainly revolutionize the way we travel. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you thought about the video in the comment section below. And also, let us know which of the transportation technologies you think will have the biggest impact in the future. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos in the future. Make sure you also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever we upload a new video. See you next time.